Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting accessory for anyone who owns a Neo drone. A portable hard case designed specifically for carrying and protecting your valuable gear. This isn't just any soft bag. It's a robust, hard-shell case that promises serious protection. One of the standout features mentioned is its explosion-proof material. Now, while we hope we never have to test that, having a case built with this level of safety in mind is incredibly reassuring, especially when transporting lithium-ion batteries, which are common with drones. It adds a significant layer of peace of mind, knowing that the case is designed to minimize risk should something unexpected happen with the battery inside. Safety is paramount when dealing with drone equipment, and this feature directly addresses that concern. Despite its tough exterior and the promise of heavy-duty protection, the case is described as having a compact design. But don't let that fool you, because it apparently offers spacious capacity inside. The description says it can easily accommodate multiple drones and their accessories. While most people might only carry one Neo drone at a time, this suggests there's plenty of room for the drone itself, the controller, several batteries, propellers, cables, and maybe even a small tablet or phone for monitoring. The idea is that everything you need for a flight session can be neatly organized and stored in one place, preventing things from rattling around and getting damaged. Organized storage is key to keeping your gear in good condition and ready to go. Portability is another major selling point. With its compact size and lightweight construction, this storage box is designed for easy transport. The product name even mentions it's a shoulder bag, which implies it comes with a strap for comfortable carrying. Being able to just grab your case and head out to your flying location without hassle is a big plus. It makes taking your Neo drone on trips, hikes, or just at the local park much more convenient. The ease of carrying means you're more likely to take your drone with you and capture those amazing shots. Beyond just the Neo drone, the case is highlighted for its versatile functionality. It's not strictly limited to just the drone. You can also use it to store various other accessories and essentials. This means if you have other small electronics, cameras, or sensitive equipment, this case could potentially serve as a protective storage solution for those items as well. This versatility adds value, making it more than just a single-purpose case. It becomes a general-purpose protective container for sensitive gear when needed. Ultimately, the core purpose of this case is secure protection. It aims to keep your drone and all its accompanying accessories safe and well-organized. Having a dedicated, hard-shell case like this ensures that your expensive equipment is shielded from bumps, drops, and the elements. It means your gear is protected during transport and storage, keeping it in optimal condition and readily accessible whenever you're ready to fly. For anyone serious about protecting their Neo drone investment, a case like this seems like a crucial accessory. It provides that essential layer of security and organization that makes flying more enjoyable and less stressful.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.